Businesses normally evolve using their data processes. So they may start with a piece of paper at the very start when there's just one or two of them. They then, when there's three or four, evolve into using spreadsheets, and after that point they're not really sure where they should go. So what we like to do is work with those businesses who've got spreadsheet or manually intensive processes to automate those systems. Ours is different. We're really looking to work with companies who've got mature processes in place, who have gone past the point of an off-the-shelf system being available or of any use to them. And what we do tend to find with those businesses is that if they buy something off the shelf, it's like they will use 50-60% of the functionality. If you go with something custom, you should be using 100% of that functionality, and that's the difference quite simply. Bluehub aren't particularly sector-based. We're working across many sectors at the moment, and currently we're in construction, manufacturing, architecture, freight, distribution. It's a real broad brush at the moment, so obviously we're looking to help companies that need efficiencies internally, and that is across all sectors.
The fact that they're an SME like us, you know, the way that they look after us is very personal. We've got a contact in the company that we deal that looks after our system, so you feel that they've got an understanding of the system, and that, you know, if there's a problem, they're very responsive. And you know, usually if I ring up with a query, it's usually sort of updated and changed within an hour or two. So and just the fact that they're a local business to us as well.
I think the support we offer at Bluehub is more of a personal, friendly nature. It's because we're a small to medium business ourselves. We know the pain that people go through as they're daily running their processes and trying to get things done, and they need quick turnarounds if possible, and also they need to have someone speak in a language that they can understand. We try not to talk too technical to the actual client. It's good we've got other members of the team that we can actually pass things that we're saying through to make sure that the ones who aren't as technical can understand that we're not going to bamboozle the client.
Communication for me is the crux of any business, so for me we have to be able to communicate clearly, concisely, and in appropriate timescales. So it's for me it's one of our key elements of what we do. All of our employees, although they can speak technically, will also speak the plain English in the business terms to enable that all throughout our company we can help on any level with the client's concerns. The success of any project is based on communication, whether it be technical or business terms or just plain English, and we like to cater for all three.
We've already recommended Bluehub to numerous businesses. Obviously a lot of the companies that we serve in our industry have similar data processes to ours, really, so we've actually shown the system to a couple of our customers to show them how we process the information and so on and so forth. And yeah, we wouldn't hesitate to recommend Bluehub to anybody that's got a similar situation.